Do you want to know how you can log into your CVS Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your CVS Payroll account. Go ahead and search for CVS Payroll login on your web browser or your search bar. Then click on the first link which appears on your screen, and then it will take you to the official login portal of CVS Health. You can see that the login portal is over here on the right side. Go ahead and write down your user ID in the first box. After you write down your user ID, go to the password section and then write down your password associated with your CVS Health and CVS Payroll account. Then the final step is to click Log On. This way you can successfully sign in to your CVS Payroll account. You can also click on Show Password and it will show your password. And if you have forgotten your user ID or password, this is the link for you to recover your password. So go ahead and click on the link and recover your password. If you are a new user and want to create a new account on CVS Payroll, this is the link for you to follow. I hope this video about how you can log into your CVS Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.